In this video, I will share 4 websites that pay at least $100 per article. If you have a good command of writing, then you can easily earn a good amount of pay from these websites. So without any further delay, let's start the video. The first website is barefootwriter.com. The Barefoot Writer is a freelance writing-based website that seeks articles on interesting but practical topics that writers can use in their daily life. Their payment is between $100 to $300 per submission, and you can get published quickly if the content follows their content style and guide. The second website is Vibrant Life. Vibrant Life is a health and wellness related website that accepts submissions related to mental health, spirituality, healthy living, stress prevention, nutrition, and more. However, ensure that you avoid hard to understand medical terminology so readers can understand and enjoy the article. Vibrant Life pays between $100 to $300 per article. The third website is readersdigest.com. Reader's Digest is renowned for publishing gripping real-life stories. Crime stories, adventure stories, and stories about everyday heroes are among the magazine's most popular features and are most likely to catch an editor's attention. In your proposal, be sure to describe how your story will unfold. If it's chosen by the editors for publication in the print magazine, then they will pay $100 per published write-up. Now the last website is Listverse. Listverse pays $100 for list-based posts with a minimum of 10 items on the list. As its name suggests, this website focuses on list articles, so you will have to submit the article in list format. Listverse has been around for ages and still looks for unique pitches and submissions focusing on uncommon knowledge, rare finds, and offbeat news. This website also takes everyday topics with a quirky or unique approach. You have to avoid listing articles related to self-help, sports, gaming, or personal stories to increase the chances of getting your article published. But this platform is not for everyone as they only accept submissions from the US, UK, New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and South Africa. Listverse also pays $100 per submission, and your list article needs to be around 1500 words. So this was all for today. I hope this video has helped you. See you in the next one.